Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are freestyling it again, my friends. Yes, freestyle paint pouring in blues and greens, not purple. I finally put my purple away. As you can see, I put some white, titanium white, over another painting. Nothing new here, but no, what I did was I tried a green and blue one, but right before, like yesterday, or a couple of days ago anyway. I added gray as one of the colors in my freestyle, and I did not like it one single bit. That's a great color for a background for these colors, but not so much to mix within. I didn't think anyway. That's my opinion. So I decided to paint back over it and try it again. I just put a puddle of white and I was just kind of stretching it out here a little bit so I can start layering my cup and freestyle it. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss these freaking awesome videos. And if you're already subscribed and you are back, I appreciate it. We're the cool crowd. Hang with us. Okay, all these colors that I'm using, I think except the light green, every color I kind of tweaked and made my own color. The dark color I poured first was kind of like a Prussian blue. I mixed blue, magenta, red, and then a little more blue. And anyway, I stirred it till I got a dark blue. And the second color, I mixed viridian green, sap green, and a little phthalo, and it kind of made a dark turquoise. And then the lighter blue color, I mixed it like a cerulean blue with a little phthalo just to darken it a touch. And the last color is light green. And all these paints were Mont Marte brand. The light green is actually a real color by them. I didn't mix anything in it, so. And so this cup I'm layering these in is from the Dollar Tree. So nothing expensive. I buy tons of them when I go. They must think I'm crazy. So I'm just layering this, I think, 3 times. I make 3 layers. And I mix my paints. I usually make a 250 gram cup of floetrol and mix about 70 grams of paint in it. And there's your color. No water, anything. So I layered this 3 times just to make sure I had enough paint. I think this canvas is 18 by 24. Yes, 18 by 24. I'm almost there. I think I'm on my last layer. I really like blue and green together. Green wasn't such a favorite color of mine until recently. I don't know, that light green for some reason looks really well on paintings, so that's why I decided to put these colors together. And everybody loves blue, of course. All right, so I just kind of sling it around. Take your paint and sling it. I mean, you would think you can't go wrong, but sometimes you get a little crazy and go too crazy. So, just practice. You don't have to do a huge one at first. Just, make you a small one. Just see how it looks. But these are so easy and so cool, I think. It adds lots of color to your home. And here I'm just putting a little white around the edges because sort of flow off better on the sides. And I know I've mentioned before, but when you tilt, make sure you tilt off the edge and come back to the center before you decide where you're going next to tilt. Just so you keep your composition in the middle, like you want it. Just make sure, focus on what's in the center, because that's, what'll be your focal point when you're stretching. And don't overstretch like me. I did that so many times in the beginning. Oh my goodness. I still do sometimes. So I try to be careful. Because overstretching, all it does is piss you off. Because you got to start over, so. But I thought these colors looked wonderful. Very cool. Let me know if you guys think of any color combinations that you might want to see, and I will try it. I will try anything just to see how cool it might come out to be. And I've really had some colors surprise me that you put together you would never think looked good, so just let me know. I think I found a blob or something in this, so I stopped to pick it out. Just keep you some tweezers handy, because they sure, you're going to need them, trust me. There's always something. And I'm finally tilting the last corner. I really like the Freestyle. I think it's super cool. There's so many different ways you can do this, and it's different. I love me some Dutch pours, but these are fun too. That's why I thought I'd tackle some different colors and get out of the purples, since I was stuck in there. All right, well, that's it. Wow, this is a super short video. Right here at the end, in a second, I will show you a close-up of it. But I appreciate you guys watching this, and like I said, let me know if you want to see anything, any colors, or different way to pour it, whatever. Just let me know. I'm game. All right, well, in just a second, you'll see the very end, where it's close up, if you care to. But I will see you guys next time, possibly tomorrow. I try to do one every other day, but sometimes, something comes up and I can't. But thank you for being here. Love you guys, and I will see you next time.